Привет, ребята! Итак, что же случилось, когда у меня взорвалась клемма? Села камера, забилась память телефона и вуаля, ничего не снято, то, что хотелось бы снять. Если вкратце, то буквально за день до того, как все это случилось, я проезжала мимо одного сервиса и увидела, что там ремонтируют РВИ. И когда у меня сама взорвалась клемма, я ничего не придумала, как поехать туда и попросить помощи. Там я встретила совершенно потрясающего человека, его зовут Нельсон, он автомеханик, он также ремонтирует РВИ. Просто очень колоритный, очень интересный персонаж, которого я бы хотела показать и вас с ним познакомить. В общем, он любезно согласился мне помочь после того, как кончу свою работу, подъехать на место, собственно, поломки и как-то что-то для меня сделать. Он приехал после 5, отремонтировал РВИ, спаял эти клеммы, все поставил, РВИ прекрасно завелся. И, собственно, после этого мы договорились с ним о том, что он поможет отремонтировать мне генератор. С генератором были некие проблемы, он то заводился, то не заводился вообще. И он любезно согласился мне помочь. Кстати, за то, что он поменял мне клеммы, сделал мне клеммы, он не взял с меня денег, только уже в дальнейшем за ремонт генератора. В общем, мы договорились, что в выходные я с ним увижусь, приеду на РВИ в его дом и оставлю его там, РВИ, на сутки, чтобы он его отремонтировал. Как все это произошло, как мы приехали за РВИ после ремонта, вы увидите прямо сейчас. Не переключайтесь. Позвоните мне, сказать, что вы что здесь не надо. 10 минут всего, да? 20. Ты маску не оставляешь? Почему они тут как бы пользуются этим машиной? Мне кажется, он не умеет. Думаешь? Почему думаю? Что-то мне так подсказывает. Как вы будете выезжать? Не знаю, он будет выезжать. Ну да. А он вот здесь может крутануть. Может быть.
This way you hook up fresh water for your holding tank. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Well, I got a hose clamp. It's kind of fucking pain. Hook up that fucker. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm doing it right. Okay. Okay, we'll find out.
Yeah. Shit.
Go shut the water off.
Left.
Shut the water off. Turn it back on low.
Low?
Got it done so quick, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, still.
Ага.
Let me see something. Hey! Oh yeah. See the water?
Yeah, I see.
See it's going in.
Mm-hmm.
We just don't have a washer. Yeah, the rubber washer on the thing. I had to take it off.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's going in.
Mm-hmm.
It's going in the tank. No, I drained that. I opened this.
Ah, okay.
That's how you drain this thing, right here.
Uh-huh.
Here's your hot water heater.
Mm-hmm.
Here's your hot water heater. Before you start this thing,
Mm-hmm.
run the water inside the house,
Mm-hmm.
inside the coach,
Mm-hmm.
and let it get all the freaking air bubbles out. It's gonna go
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
on hot. Then you start it. Don't start it dry. Whatever you do, that's a bomb. Don't start it dry.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people don't know that. Let's let it fill up. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. We'll get in there. We'll get in there.
Mhm.
It's gonna take a while. That's a big motherfucking tank.
I
What?
think it's leaking. It's not water. On this side, you see?
Yeah. It's the valve. That's not right. Hey, fuck. Fresh water, fresh water. Fresh water. Okay, now we're getting some. It's so the light's bright now. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Water pump. Water pump. Come on, man. That's it. Oh, that's empty. No power. That's where power's pretty good. Okay, can you turn the cold water on? Let me go listen for the pump. Make sure the pump's working. Hold on. Let me get out there first. Oh, I'm freaking old for it. Hey, sorry. I'll get you a new screen for that.
Okay.
Turn it on. Turn the water on.
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Turn off. И у нас пипи течет. Сейчас вот мы начали заливать чистую воду в танк, а почему-то потекла и санье потекло оттуда.
Pump it. Try it again. Over to the right. It's getting a little bit better. Oh, you got a leak right here. Hold on.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you got a leak right there. Hold on. What about the bathroom? Turn the hot water on in the bath. The little faucet in the sink. Hot water.
There's a problem here.
What? What do you got?
Look.
What?
Water.
Oh, pedal stuck. Oh, that's why it's not freaking. That's why it's not pumping. Oh shit, you got a problem. Shit. No, you need a toilet. The pump thing's fucked up. That's why. It's gonna fill up with water. It's gonna flood this fucker out. Water pump. Right here. I can't see. Put the fucking light on. Where's the light? Where's the fucking light? There you go. Man. Okay, that works.
Shower light.
What is that?
Shower light.
Well, there's got to be a water pump. Oh, right here. Oh, that made it worse. Okay, that's not good. Stop. Toilet space. Somebody pushed the pedal too hard and broke it. Yeah, that's not shutting off. Damn it. Fuck. That's not good. That's not good at all. That's not shutting off. I don't want you having a fucking problem and soaking everything. Alright, I'm gonna shut the water off. I don't want it,
То есть, короче говоря, проблемы с...
Все время льется в толчке вода. Поэтому не идет и давление никуда. Невозможно, все там.
Well, you're gonna need to buy a toilet. And let me see what kind of deal I can get you on a toilet. I'm gonna check Monday on what I can get for this thing. Let's see how much. Because you can't have it running like that. You gotta have no water pressure at all, and it's gonna fill your tanks up. And you're gonna be fucked. And you go to sleep at night, it's gonna overflow, and you're gonna come out to water running out the front door. Very, very bad.
So let's do it in other weekends, other Saturday or Sunday. How it's better for you? I'll bring it again here on Friday.
Yeah, bring it Friday. Saturday is good for me. We need to get 2 valves and a toilet. And make this thing right. Water pump works. Got like a quarter of a tank of water. See the water level? So you got water in it. And that's a big, where are you?
Empty.
Okay. That's a big fucking tank, man. That thing goes all the way across. That thing's huge. So you probably got like, I want to say 50, maybe 40 gallons in it right now. It's probably like a 200-gallon tank. You should understand why I want to start. But it starts from outside. Sorry. Generator runs good. I want to see why it won't start from in here. Start from there. You shouldn't have to go outside. I don't understand why it won't start. Oh, give me the key. Yeah, it won't turn it.
Проблема в том, что он не забыл.
Get the right key?
No. Sorry?
Is it
It won't start. The key don't fit.
No, maybe it's not. Let me see.
Okay, you get in there. You get in there. Go on, get in there. Get in there. You show me.
Yeah, that key.
No, okay, start. Go. I want to see if they generate enough fire. Usually usually on mine, I had identical, same freaking layout. Except for mine had one big bed in the back and not 2 beds. Same, identical. And I had to start, for me to start the generator, I had to start the coach.
Yeah.
There you
Oh,
go.
great. Now we go.
There you go. You see that?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
So to
I
start
don't-
start generator here. I should
You gotta
Start
start the truck first. You can
Ah.
start it manually outside.
There.
Outside, if an emergency,
Mm-hmm.
if the coach is, if your battery's dead on the motor on this,
Mm-hmm.
you have 2 batteries for the coach.
Mm-hmm.
You have 1 battery for the motor that I'm sitting on.
Mhm.
Okay, 1 battery.
Mm-hmm.
If this battery goes dead, you can always start the generator, but make sure them 2 switches are turned on.
Mm-hmm.
And that will charge all the batteries.
All the batteries. Mm-hmm.
When you're running a generator, say you're running it for 4 hours in the evening,
Mm-hmm.
that's going to keep your batteries charged.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? But you got to make sure them switches are on.
On.
And you can hear them click.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
When you shut everything off, and say you're going to leave it for like a couple days or whatever, make sure you turn those switches off. That way there's no power draining from the batteries. If you leave a light on or something, no power at all.
Mm-hmm.
It'll kill everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the same thing as mine. Now you can turn now. You can turn the coach off and the generator on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's that. So 140 shit. That ain't nothing on that generator.
Really?
140 hours. That's nothing. We get coaches in there with freaking 10,000. Yeah, this is nothing. See the little white one?
Mm-hmm.
Here, Lisa.
Yeah.
Look right here. Come here.
I see,
Come
I
here.
see,
Look.
I
Look.
see.
Look
I
closer.
see.
Look closer.
I see.
See the little white one?
Yes.
Those are tenths. Those are like on an odometer.
Mm-hmm.
That's a tenth of a mile. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is your mileage right here. 140.
Mm-hmm.
See, there's nothing up front. It's 0. It's only 140 hours on that thing. That thing's fucking like.
Это хорошо.
That thing's like.
Ты не поняла, что ли?
I ain't fucking chingon.
She didn't.
You guys
She don't understand.
Fucking freaking Russian on me.
I explained her about this.
Yeah. 140 hours is
it's
nothing.
good. It's
Not.
good, yeah.
Oh, that's really good.
Russian is good.
Да.
It's good.
Типа он еще вообще мало намотал.
Yeah, yeah, whatever.
То есть это как
Ah,
мало.
Oh shit.
Be careful.
No, you be careful. You know these things turn around, right?
I think this. Look, Nelson.
What?
Here. You looking for this?
No. No, I'm just showing you my ass. That's all.
Oh,
It's okay.
you heard good this?
It's a nice little black
It's
hood.
nice.
It's nice.
Not bad.
No, there's a fucking thing. Telling you. Oh, that fucking TV. Ah, whatever. I give you. I
Это
fucking still.
двигать, наверное, кресло.
I still. Oh, maybe it might be there. Oh, it is. Yeah. That one does it too.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Uh-huh. Then you can take this motherfucker, kick back like that.
Hey, it's clean.
Whatever, my shoes are clean. Look at them. They're from 1940s.
Oh.
I'm gonna back it down the driveway for you.
Как он эту бандуру будет оттуда вывозить?
Да ловко, я тебе хочу сказать. Ну, в смысле, я надеюсь, что как бы так оно и получится все ловко.
Слушай, там вообще витражи просто будет.
Да, обалдеть можно. Сори. Так. Вот. красоте. Чувак управляется с RV, как, не знаю, с велосипедом. Обалдеть можно. Обалдеть.
Let's fix this thing up.
Yeah. So I call you on Monday or Tuesday about
Whenever.
college.
Fine.
Okay.
Next weekend.
Yeah, and then we'll continue next week.
Yeah, and bring it like on Friday, like you did,
Uh-huh.
and let me work on it and get the lights all working.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, everything working.
Thank
you know what I
you.
mean?
Mhm.
Clean the ACs. They need to be cleaned, I'm sure.
Yeah, that is so great
Okay.
for us. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. We
But
appreciate
clean the ACs. You got to take the covers off
Uh-huh.
and blow them all out and fire the generator up. Make sure the ACs work.
Mhm.
It needs a new toilet. You're gonna have to get a new toilet. I'm gonna find out if I can get a good price on one.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay?
Mhm. Mhm.
Through my work, I usually get 20-35% off
Mhm.
on all RV stuff. So,
Mhm. Mhm.
and what else? That's about it. We gotta fix a light, so we gotta make sure you got light. Oh, we need
Нас
two valves.
тушит, да.
Two valves. That's right.
Мгм, yeah.
Okay, so get her home before it gets too late.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, at least you got tail lights, you got one
Yeah.
headlight. You're good.
Mhm. Okay, thank you.
You
See
got
you.
it. You got
Thank
it.
you.
All right.
Thank
Take care, kid.
Thank you